Hello and welcome, my name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan, we bake vegan treats. Today we're going to be making a vegan ginger loaf / muffins. You can do it either way. But I'm going to be making muffins because they make a great snack or treat to have if you're going to school, if you need something in between breaks at work. For me personally, I am doing baking school at the moment, which starts at 12, so I don't really have time for lunch, if that makes any sense, because I have to leave for the bus before it's lunchtime. So makes sense to have a quick snack that you can chuck in your bag and just eat once you're already there. Obviously not on the bus, but yes, so that is what we're going to make. These are super simple and they taste absolutely amazing. So I'm going to stop talking and we're actually going to bake them. So let's get into the baking. So you're going to want to start with about 50 grams of vegan butter of your choice. I'm using Aleisha because I absolutely love this stuff. Okay, I'm going to assume that's 50 grams. To that, you then want to add a tablespoon of golden syrup. Heat these together until the butter has melted. Mix to combine. Once melted, set aside and begin making a flax egg. If you've never made a flax egg before, it is simply a tablespoon of flax meal to 2 tablespoons of water. Give that a mix. And set aside. Combine the eggs mixture with the golden syrup and butter. Give a little mix. Sift 1 cup of flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons ginger, and 1 teaspoon mixed spice. Also add half a cup of brown sugar. Mix to combine. In a separate bowl, combine 3/4 cups of plant-based milk and 1 teaspoon of baking. Mix to combine. Combine all ingredients to form a batter. And mix until just combined. Prepare a muffin tin by lining with silicone cases or paper cases. Fill the lined cases with muffin batter and place in the oven at 190 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, they're ready. Can confirm the batter tastes great. Once filled and evenish, bake them. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the oven. Hopefully yours turned out a little more even than mine did. Some are overflowing and some are tiny little balls. But we're going to check the biggest one, because the biggest will always take longer to cook. In with my toothpick, straight out, completely clean. You can barely even tell I've used it. Which means our muffins are now done. We'll just chuck them on a cooling rack and give them a taste when they cool down. Now we wait. Hello and welcome back. Just if you're wondering what this little mess here is, it is my set for the photo I just took. If you want to see it, it will be up on my Instagram. A little bit of a plug, it's in the description box down below if you want to have a look at everything I've created. I'm still not the best at food photography, but I'm definitely learning and I'm quite proud of this last one, so go check it out. But the part you've all been waiting for is to see how these bad boys turned out. They've got a nice hard shell, which you cannot hear, and on the inside they're just nice, soft, moist. Oh, and I can smell them baking in the oven. As always, amazing. They're really good with just a little bit of butter. If you haven't already tried them, another one to add to your must bake list. And yeah, I highly recommend these. You should definitely try them. They're perfect for lunch boxes. Maybe try and make them a little more even than I did, because I got this huge one and this little one. That's all my fault though. Until next time, I will see you with the next baking video. I believe we might try a bread, or it might be something sweet. My videos are a little bit sporadic at the moment just because we're getting a lot of renovations done in the kitchen. So I will try and upload when I can. It may not be for another week, may not be for another 2 weeks. It's just a bit hectic trying to fit everything in with the loud banging, crashing. The weekends are the time I have time off. Even then I do not, because sometimes I work. I'm gonna do my best to get at least one video out a week, but we'll just have to see what happens. So I will see you in the next video, when and if I upload it. Till then, peace, and I hope